for families of SARS victims. The Attorney General, together with the leadership of some youths, will be able to look into this and make an appropriate recommendation to the governor. A panel of inquiry that will receive reports from victim families. That's what I just said. The Attorney General, working with some youth representatives, will be able to address this. Cell 5, Neni SARS investigation, Enugu SARS. Okay, all you are saying purely is that first, we have abrogated SARS. Second, the atrocities will be looked into. And anybody found to have unlawfully done anything must be prosecuted. No search of phones on electronic. What's that? I don't understand that. I'll give you a better advice on this. And police extortion at checkpoint, of course I agree with you. Police extortion is not allowed in anywhere. And any police that does that, please cleverly copy the name from the badge and from the name and let us have it. Great youth. I want to let you know why I support what you are doing. The 21/21 that was the landslide victory. The youth delivered it. True or false? True. You voted, you defended your votes. That will happen again very soon. You vote and you defend your votes. The other thing we'll do, I will personally visit the SARS offices that you are mentioning. And anybody that is there illegally, I'll release the fellow immediately. Any other fellow that is there legitimately will be prosecuted in line with the law. But any illegal detainee there, I will release immediately. Thank you. 2 to 8, please. But this is a major expressway. I'm appealing to you, now that you've heard from the governor, give me a chance to solve these problems. Let people go about their business normally, including yourselves. Leave the rest to your governor. From tomorrow, everybody in SARS in Neni, SARS Okuzu, SARS Enugu, SARS wherever, nobody will be there. We'll close that place.